he do for me, I go say thank you, Baba, waiting he do for me. Oh yeah. Oh God, I thank you, God, I thank you so much. Oh, look at Softbox. Look at this light. Look at this light. Ah! Videos and this I need a studio. Nobody's gonna tell me nothing. Hey. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at these boxes. People, that lamp. But let's. Hey. Oh goodness, you guys, I am back here again with a scissors again, you guys, with a scissors again, and my beautiful iPhone 14 Pro Max to do a video that, you know, reminds me of a video that I just did recently. It's so unreal. You know, when you receive some gifts and blessings, you literally, you know, feel like, oh, you're just lucky, right? You're just lucky. Okay, you're not expecting it to happen again and from the same person. Take a look at these boxes. Look at these boxes. Look at these boxes. These boxes contain items close to 500 pounds. 500 pounds to me is money. It's huge. And I got all of these free of charge. We're going to get into that. In case you do not know what this is about, hey, all right, because a lot of you did not watch that video, but you know, those that watched already know what I'm talking about. A subscriber bought me the iPhone 14 Pro Max, 1 terabyte, and he did not know that I was going to film it. He did not know I was going to bring it on here. I wonder how I will not show you people, like how he would think I will not show you guys. And because of how much he felt appreciated, he felt like people in my comments appreciated him so much. He liked it. He kept sending me, he kept screen grabbing your comments and sending to me. And after a while, just a few days ago, he messaged me to say, because of how you have appreciated me, and I like the fact that you kept me anonymous, what do you need to take your, you know, videos to another level in terms of gear, in terms of equipment, yeah? And I'm like, I don't have a light anymore. My ring light, you know, I got rid of it before I left Nigeria. I've not bought another one. And I said mic, like a mic for the phone, because I have a microphone for my phone, but it's for my Samsung, not the iPhone. And this man went online and started watching YouTube videos and, you know, asking about, like, researching about lighting and stuff. And then guess what? He bought me, let me not be talking too much. What am I talking? I've got the boxes right here and I'm here talking. Hey, you people. I'm happy. I am happy. I am beyond excited. See, if you know the kind of light I'm using now to record this video, you will not even believe. One kind is it's not, you can see that it's not the best. I don't know, it's a lamp. I'll show you people that lamp. But let's, hey, like these things are so fragile. I don't want anything to go bad. So he actually now sent me money this time. The first time, he did the whole thing himself, but he now sent me money. Like, he was like, okay, he sent me all the items, check for this on Amazon, tell me how much it is in pounds, because he lives in America, tell me how much it is in pounds, and I'll send you the money. And then he sent me money to my PayPal, and that was how, I have the wireless go-to mic, you guys. Let me come close. Like, focus, please. You have to focus, okay? Okay, I'll turn the camera over now. I'll show you properly. Yo, I can't believe I have. This is the go-to. This is not the Go. This is not the Rode Go mic. It's the latest. It is the latest. I'm happy. I am happy. Like, he bought everything for me. He even gave me money to buy the S19 cable, because that's the cable that, hey, let me open this thing gently. That's the cable that will make me attach the mic to my phone. Like, this mic is so good. I did not really know anything about this mic until he sent me videos, like YouTube videos to watch, and that was where I saw people really, like, I watched lots and lots of videos about this mic, and I am the most excited right now. Like, see, do not play with gratitude in this life. Like, I told him thank you. I didn't need, I can come out here and form for you people and say, I just got myself the 14 Pro Max. Like, he's not even going to mind. Do you understand? Like, gratitude is everything. I'm happy. Like, it feels like Christmas gift. Oh my goodness. Am I opening this thing well? Hey, me Berlin. Look at me. I'm supposed to be. Let me be showing you people as I'm opening it, please. Let me be showing my people. Oh, you guys that video, you guys really dropped comments. You guys really prayed for him and thanked him. And it just really humbled him. He kept sending it to me, sending me different comments of you guys saying thank you. Oh my God. Oh my God. Charlie. Goodness, like, look at this. I'm sorry. I am so sorry. I'm sorry that I'm screaming. I am too excited. Let me tell you. Okay, yeah, there should be another mic. I just remember this man, it's supposed to be, let me not talk. There's another mic. Now, this mic, I can have a guest, clip one on the guest, clip one on myself. It's wireless. There's no wire connecting. And have a good interview or whatever. It is amazing. As in, it's giving me like gold. It's so beautiful. I got this for £284, I guess. £284. And then inside we have, I think it's the manual. Okay. I thought the cable that because he gave me money to buy the cable as well. I ordered, but it's not coming now, right? So I thought this is like it came with the cable. It came with cables for, I think, Android, but not for iPhone. You say iPhone get wahala. So this is the Type C cable, and this other one right here. And then the manual. Gosh, you guys. Look at this. Looks like, I don't know. I thought it was a pouch. Oh, it's a pouch. It's a pouch to put my Rode mic. See, when people are rejoicing, rejoice with he that rejoices, so that you shall rejoice as well. Goodness, I am happy. I am so happy. I'm even going to do a video now and send to him as well. Let me show you guys this one. Bend. Yep, let me show you this one. Honestly, I don't know. See, you guys are going to be mind blown. Don't worry. If you see the lights that this man got for me, if you see the lights, hey, you think I want to go and open studio. Hey, goodness God, I'm happy. I'm grateful. If you are watching this video, help me and thank him. It's not because if you thank him, he will give me another thing, but just help me and thank him, because it's not easy to use your hard-earned money. Converting dollars to pounds and stuff, like sending me the equivalent and stuff is crazy. Hey, what am I doing? I don't know how to do all these things, so hey, God. My son, Jamal, he's been all over these boxes. Right now, it's -4 degrees, but my husband took Jamal out so that I can film. He took Jamal to go buy milk. Jamal's milk is finished. Hey, am I doing this right though? Oh yeah. Oh God, I thank you, God. I thank you so much. Oh, this is the ring light. This is just one. Oh, hey, Abasimimbok. This is just one of the lights. This is just one. This is the ring light. It's supposed to be the newer ring light because that's what I ordered. I don't know. with the tripod stand and a phone holder. Okay, that's what it says. It says premium ring light with tall tripod stand and phone holder. What now? You can adjust the brightness, 3 color modes, 360 adjustable, USB powered, and stuff like that. This has to be the tripod. This has to be the tripod and the light. I'll open it, but hey, let me show you guys this one. Hey, God, I thank you. I'm so happy. No, I'm so happy. I can form. You see all this? I'm screaming. I've been happy since yesterday, since they arrived. In short, since I ordered and it arrived the next day. It's just that cable. I'm even thinking of going to a store to get that cable because the arrival date is not just close, you know. So, this one now. Let me move back so that you can see this. I think this is the exciting one. But there's another mic now, Abby. Where is that mic? There's another mic. Hey, God. Abby, I'm coming. No, it can't be there. There's another mic. Maybe it has not. He bought me the other Rode mic. That mic that is wireless that you hold like this. The Rode one. There's that one. I'm grateful. I'm so happy. Look at my mic here. See my mic. Wire. We're done with wires. We've graduated though. No more wire. Oh. And then now I can attach a mic to my phone. I don't know how to open boxes. I'm so terrible at it. It's my husband that used to do all these things. Because me, even to open honorary mail, honorary letter, to open the envelope well is a problem. I'm so happy about this thing that I'm opening now because God, hey, God. Oh my God. Hey, Jesus. Hey, I can't believe it. Am I dreaming? Am I in a dream? Hey, God, I thank you. Shout out to Kelechi Mgbemena because one of the videos that he saw was from Kelechi. You know, she does all these videos and this. Oh my God. Look at this. Look at softbox. Look at this light. Hey God, my chest. Hey God, I thank you. God, I thank you. Hey, Abasimimbok. Hey, Jesus. Softbox. Hey, I'm sorry. How will I even know how? Hey. It's a lot. I am overwhelmed. It started with an iPhone 14, 1 terabyte, the highest. Like anywhere I go, they're like, oh my God, your phone. You know, iPhone, they speak for themselves. Hey, iPhones speak for themselves. I don't know if I should. I don't know if I can bear to. Let me put myself together. I wanted to say I don't know if I can bear to actually unbox these, but let me do it. Because I'm too happy. Like, look at this. Hey God, I thank you. Please, you could start telling. Help me to tell this man. Is it 2? Oh, 2 soft boxes. Oh. Help me to tell him thank you. Help me to tell him. There's this song my auntie used to sing, even when you want to thank God. The song is, tell him, help me tell Papa God thank you. Tell him. Hey, tell him, help me tell Papa God thank you. Waiting it do for me. I go say, thank you, Baba, waiting it do for me. I go tell Papa God, thank you. I'm so grateful. Do you know what it means to have good light? Because this period, you don't understand. This is a major need for me because this is winter and it's crazy. how it gets dark. I wanted to film this video since now. I was busy working on Abel's video because I'm supposed to post on Abel's channel tomorrow. You know, I've been busy, like, and then before I close my eye and open my eye, darkness don't come. Everywhere is dark and cold. So imagine what this light is doing for me. I can now film at night. Hey, Jam, are you back? Look at Jamal. Look at how heated up he is. Like gloves, everything, because it's so cold. Jamal, it's cold, right? Hey! So after you tell Papa God, thank you. Help me tell this man, thank you. It's a lot. I don't take it for granted. For somebody to just do this for you, you're not the person's sister, you're not the person's girlfriend, you're not the person's mother. Who I be? Do you understand? Like, thank you. For everybody that believes in me on this platform. You guys have been with me. Please, I'm so emotional. I want to believe that this is the soft box and this is the second one. Wow. And then there's still a... Look at that. I don't know anything about these things. I don't know nothing, but I'm going to set it up. I don't know if it came with... I think this might... I don't know. Is this the bulb? Abby? Yeah, maybe that's the bulb. Yeah, it's the bulb. It's just a lot of good stuff. I can't believe, like, what don't I have? The other time my husband bought me my camera, bought me drone, bought me the ring light and everything. As in, to see that I have people that believe in me, as small as I am. You know, people believe in, because if you don't believe in somebody, are you going to invest in that person? This is investment. And all these things just help me keep going. Like, it helps me push, knowing that I cannot afford to fail. I have people that believe in me. There are some of you that believe in me that I do not even know. You've not really reached out to me and stuff, but people are watching. Whatever you're doing, just be doing your thing. Face your work. I'm not here to come and say, oh, I'm forming advice. I had to reduce the aperture of my camera to 100 to be able to get this thing because it is so bright. It is so, imagine, see, this is, if I increase it to what it was before, you will not even be seeing anything. So I'm reducing it back to 100 for you to be able to see. God, I'm happy. And of course, that's the ring light over there. And then my mic, and the other mic has not arrived yet. I am literally excited, so happy, because I can now film at night. Oh, look at that. Look, I need a studio. I need a studio. Nobody's going to tell me nothing. This brings us to the end of this video. I watched Kelechi Mgbemena's video and I did not know that there's something called backlight. This is this thing I was telling you guys about, the lamp. The reading lamp that I was using before. Maybe that will be my backlight now. And I don't know, I'm going to have it set up for my sit-down videos. I am so happy for my vlogs as well. I am super happy. Shout out to you, Mr. What's his name now? Mr. J. Thank you guys. Thank God. Like, I'm just happy and I'm just grateful. This means a lot to me. This is really huge. So do not leave without saying thank you. All right, to the person that is investing in us, because it is all us. If you're part of this tribe, if you're a member of this family, it is all us. So let's thank the person that is going to make us have a better quality video, better audio. Charlie, I know I look terrible because I'm just in front of the light, and yeah, it has reflectors. Yeah, let me show you. These right here are the reflectors. I don't know how to do it. I have to learn and learn. Thank you all so much for watching. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay happy, stay safe, and know that I love you. Bye-bye.